All right, welcome back to the deep dive. This time, we're diving into the world of luxury yacht automation.
Sounds exciting.
Yeah, so picture this. You've got this incredible yacht, maybe 80 feet or more,
Wow.
and you want to outfit it with the absolute best technology. We're talking top-of-the-line systems that control everything.
Everything.
Yeah, pretty much. From the lighting and entertainment to the shades and climate control, we're talking about making your yacht a truly smart and luxurious experience.
I'm already intrigued. Where do we even begin with something like that?
Well, we've been digging into Crestron Marine Systems, specifically their work with Concord Marine Electronics down in Fort Lauderdale.
Crestron, I've heard that name before. They're pretty big in the automation world, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
They're considered the gold standard for luxury automation, not just for yachts, but for high-end homes and businesses too.
So what makes Crestron so special? What sets them apart from other automation systems?
Well, for starters, it's not just about having a fancy remote control. Crestron is a complete system that integrates all your onboard technologies.
So instead of having a separate control for the lights, the music, the AC, everything is controlled through one central system.
You got it. And that system can be customized to your exact preferences. Imagine having a sleek touch panel where you can adjust the lighting, queue up your favorite playlist, check the engine temperature, all without leaving the sun deck.
That sounds pretty amazing, but yachts are tough environments. Salt water, sun, vibrations. Can these systems really hold up to all that?
That's where Concord Marine Electronics comes in. They're certified Crestron installers with tons of experience outfitting yachts of all sizes.
So they know how to make sure these systems are not only luxurious, but also durable enough to withstand the demands of the marine environment.
Exactly. And they've got a phenomenal track record. Over 150 five-star Google reviews.
Wow, 150. That's impressive. So it sounds like they really know their stuff. But let's get back to the technology itself. What are some of the specific benefits of having a Crestron system on your yacht?
Well, besides the convenience of controlling everything from one place, Crestron systems can actually anticipate your needs.
Anticipate your needs. How so?
For example, they can subtly adjust the lighting as the sun sets, or automatically lower the shades when it gets too bright.
So it's not just about control, it's about creating a truly intelligent environment that adapts to your preferences and the surrounding conditions.
Exactly. It's about taking the yachting experience to a whole new level of luxury and comfort.
I'm starting to see the appeal. But what about those who already have older systems on their yachts? Can they be upgraded to Crestron?
Absolutely. Concord specializes in refitting older systems, bringing them up to date with the latest digital technologies. They can seamlessly integrate Crestron into your existing infrastructure, giving your yacht a whole new lease on life when it comes to automation.
So whether you're building a new yacht or upgrading an existing one, Crestron and Concord Marine Electronics have you covered. Now let's talk about another essential element of the luxury yacht experience: audio.
Oh yeah, you can't forget about the sound system. And we're not talking about just any ordinary speakers here. For discerning audiophiles, Concord integrates JL audio systems, which are known for their exceptional quality and performance in marine environments.
JL Audio, that rings a bell. They're pretty well known for their car audio systems, aren't they?
You're right, they are. And they apply that same expertise to their marine products. JL Audio marine speakers are built to withstand the elements, sun, salt water, and those intense vibrations we talked about, all without compromising audio quality.
So you can enjoy crystal clear highs and powerful lows, whether you're cruising along the coast or anchored in a secluded cove. It's like having a concert right on your yacht.
Exactly. And with a JL Audio subwoofer, you won't just hear the music, you'll feel it.
Now you're talking. A good subwoofer can really make a difference. But let's get back to the bigger picture for a moment. How customizable are these systems? Can they really be tailored to the specific needs of each yacht and its owner?
Absolutely. Both Crestron and JL Audio offer a range of options to suit every need and desire. And Concord's team will work with you to design a system that perfectly matches your preferences and the layout of your yacht.
So you're not just getting a cookie-cutter solution, you're getting a system that's truly personalized.
Exactly. And that includes things like multi-zone audio systems for larger yachts, which allow you to control the music in different areas independently.
So you could have a party vibe on the deck, a more relaxed atmosphere in the salon, and maybe some soothing sounds playing in the cabins.
Exactly. It's all about creating the perfect ambiance for every part of your yacht.
This is all starting to sound pretty amazing, but let's be realistic. All this technology can seem a bit intimidating. What if you're not exactly a tech expert?
That's a valid concern, but user experience is a top priority for both Crestron and JL Audio. The interfaces are designed to be intuitive, And Concord's team provides comprehensive training and support. They'll make sure you're comfortable using your system to its full potential.
So you don't need a degree in computer science to enjoy the benefits of a fully automated yacht.
Exactly. It's all about making technology work for you, not the other way around.
So let's bring it all together. Why should our listeners choose Concord Marine Electronics for their Crestron and JL audio needs?
Well, I think it boils down to three key factors: proven expertise, certified professionals, and the convenience of local service.
All right, let's break those down. What do you mean by proven expertise?
Concord has decades of experience designing and installing these systems on all kinds of yachts. They've handled everything from simple upgrades to complex new build installations, and their track record speaks for itself. Remember those 150 five-star Google reviews?
Right. They're not just some fly-by-night operation. They've got a reputation for excellence. And what about certified professionals?
Well, Concord is an Authorized Crestron Dealer, which means their team adheres to the highest industry standards. They know the ins and outs of these systems and how to make sure they operate flawlessly in a marine environment. Plus, this certification comes with Crestron's 5-year warranty, so you have peace of mind knowing you're covered.
That's reassuring. And finally, what's the benefit of their local service?
Concord is based right at Safe Harbor Lauderdale Marine Center, making them easily accessible for yacht owners in South Florida. Having a local team that can quickly address any issues or provide ongoing maintenance is invaluable.
Absolutely. It takes the stress out of managing these complex systems. So we've got a company with proven expertise, certified professionals, and convenient local service. It sounds like they've got all the bases covered.
They really do. And what I find interesting is their focus on the yachting lifestyle. They understand that it's not just about technology, it's about creating an experience.
That's a great point. They're not just installing wires and speakers, they're crafting an environment of luxury, convenience, and enjoyment.
Exactly. And they're doing it with top-of-the-line brands like Crestron and JL Audio. They've curated the best of the best to elevate the yachting experience to a whole new level.
Speaking of curating, have you ever wondered what it would be like to have complete control over the lighting on your yacht? I mean, being able to create the perfect ambiance for any occasion, from a romantic dinner to a lively party.
Oh, absolutely. Imagine having the power to set the mood with just a few taps on a screen. You could have warm golden hues for a cozy evening with friends, cool blues for a sophisticated cocktail party, or even vibrant party-ready colors that sync with the music.
That's exactly what Crestron lighting control systems can do. They give you complete control over the brightness, color, and even the mood of your lighting. It's like having a personal lighting designer on board.
And it's not just about aesthetics, right? Smart lighting can also enhance safety and security on a yacht.
Absolutely. Imagine pathways automatically illuminating as you walk by, or motion-activated lights deterring unwanted visitors. It adds a whole new layer of peace of mind.
That's a great point. So like having an extra set of eyes watching over your yacht, even when you're not there.
Exactly. And these are just a few examples of how Crestron and JL audio systems can be customized to meet your specific needs and preferences. The possibilities are truly endless.
This has been an incredible deep dive so far. We've learned how Crestron can transform a yacht into a haven of luxury and convenience, and how JL Audio can create an immersive audio experience unlike any other. And Concord Marine Electronics is the key to bringing it all together with their expertise and tailored solutions.
It's amazing how technology is reshaping the yachting experience, making it even more luxurious, personalized, and enjoyable.
Absolutely. And it's not just about the technology itself, it's about the people behind it. Concord's team is clearly passionate about what they do, and that dedication translates into exceptional service and results for their clients.
Well said. Now, I know you're probably thinking, this all sounds amazing, but what if I have questions or want to learn more?
I'm glad you brought that up because Concord Marine Electronics encourages yacht owners to reach out to them directly.
That's right. They're happy to answer any questions you might have about Crestron, JL Audio, or their services. They even offer consultations to discuss your specific needs and create a custom solution that's perfect for your yacht.
So whether you're planning a complete refit or just considering a few upgrades, Concord is the go-to resource for all your luxury yacht automation needs.
They're your trusted partner every step of the way, from the initial consultation to the final installation and beyond.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here, but before we move on, I have one final question for you.
I'm all ears.
Imagine you're on your newly outfitted yacht. The sun is setting, the music is playing, and you're surrounded by friends and family. What's the one feature that you're most excited to show off?
That's a tough one. There are so many incredible features to choose from, but if I had to pick just one, I'd say it's the ability to control the entire yacht's ambiance with a single touch. From the lighting to the music to the temperature, everything works together seamlessly to create the perfect mood.
I can definitely see why that would be a showstopper. It's the epitome of luxury and convenience, having complete control over your environment with just a few taps on a screen.
Exactly. It's about creating an unforgettable experience for yourself and your guests, and that's what Crestron and JL Audio Systems, combined with Concord's expertise, can truly deliver.
Well said. We'll be back in part 2 of our deep dive to talk more about how our listeners can get in touch with Concord Marine Electronics to start planning their dream yacht automation setup. So before we were talking about all the amazing things you can do with Crestron and JL Audio on your yacht.
And how Concord Marine Electronics can make it all a reality.
Right. But how do people actually get started with Concord? Like, what's the first step?
Well, I'd say their website is a great place to start. It's concordmarineenelectronics.com.
Easy enough to remember.
Yeah, and on the site, you can see examples of their work and the different services they offer. You can even schedule a consultation right there on the website.
So you can kind of get a feel for what they do and see if they're a good fit for you?
Exactly. But if you prefer to talk to someone directly,
Like a real person?
yeah, you can always just give them a call. Their number is 954-779-1100.
I like that they offer both options. Sometimes you just want to chat with someone and get your questions answered right away.
Definitely. And I think that personal touch is something that really sets Concord apart. They take the time to listen to their clients and understand their needs so they can design a system that's truly personalized.
Okay, so let's say I'm sold on the idea of having Concord outfit my yacht with a Crestron and JL audio system. What's the actual installation process like?
Well, the first thing they do is a thorough assessment of your yacht.
Makes sense.
They'll take into account the size and layout of your boat, any existing systems you have.
So they're not just throwing things in there haphazardly.
Definitely not. They take a very meticulous approach to planning the entire installation.
Oh, wow. Okay.
They carefully plan out the wiring, where all the components will go, and they even pay attention to the aesthetics, so everything blends in seamlessly with your yacht's design.
So they're not just tech experts, they're also thinking about design and how it all looks.
Exactly. They want the technology to enhance the beauty of your yacht, not detract from it.
I see. And speaking of design, I'm curious about the user experience once the system is installed. Like, is it actually easy to use? What if you're not very tech savvy?
Don't worry about that. Concord provides training on how to use all the features of your new system.
Oh, good.
They'll walk you through everything step by step and make sure you feel comfortable controlling all the different aspects.
That's reassuring to know, because it would be a shame to invest in all this amazing technology and then not know how to use it properly.
Yeah. And they also offer ongoing support, so you can call them anytime you have a question or need help with something.
That's great. So you're not just left on your own to figure it all out.
Exactly. They're with you every step of the way. You know, speaking of support, I wanted to touch back on something we mentioned earlier, the multi-zone audio capabilities.
Oh, yeah. The idea of having different music playing in different areas of the yacht.
Right. Like maybe you have guests on the deck who want to listen to some chill background music.
While you're having a cocktail party in the salon with a more upbeat playlist.
Exactly. And with a multi-zone system, you can control all of that from a central location. You can send different audio sources to different zones, so everyone can enjoy their own personalized music experience.
I'm starting to see why people call this yacht automation. It's not just about having gadgets, it's about creating a truly customized and intelligent onboard experience.
That's a great way to put it. And it's about enhancing the enjoyment and comfort of every moment spent on your yacht.
I think we've given our listeners a lot to think about in this part of our deep dive.
Yeah, I think so too.
We've covered how to get in touch with Concord, the installation process, user experience, and even those cool multi-zone audio features.
But there's still more to explore. In part 3, we'll look at some real-life scenarios and some specific examples of how these systems can be used.
Stay tuned, everyone. We'll be right back with the final part of our deep dive after a short break. All right, welcome back to the final part of our deep dive.
It's been quite a journey exploring this world of luxury yacht automation.
We've learned a lot about Crestron and JL audio systems, and of course, Concord Marine Electronics.
But let's really try to picture this all coming together.
Okay.
So imagine you're anchored off this beautiful island, the sun is setting, you've invited some friends for drinks and just to relax and enjoy the evening.
All right, I can picture it. Crystal clear water, a gentle breeze, the sounds of waves lapping against the hull.
Perfect. Now, as your guests arrive, you're greeting them on deck and the lighting is already dimmed just to create this warm, welcoming ambiance.
Nice touch.
And there's soft music playing in the background from your JL audio speakers, creating this relaxed mood.
And if I want to change the music or adjust the volume,
You can do that right from your Crestron touch panel.
easy peasy. Or maybe as the stars start coming out, I want to dim the lights even more, set the mood.
Exactly. You have complete control right at your fingertips.
I love it. And then as the evening goes on, maybe we decide to move the party inside to the salon.
No problem at all. With another touch on your panel, you can transition the music seamlessly to a more upbeat playlist, something perfect for conversation and cocktails.
Okay, so we've got music going in the salon, but what if some people want to stay out on deck and keep enjoying that chilled out vibe?
Well, that's where the multi-zone audio comes in. You can have a separate playlist going on the deck so everyone can enjoy their own personalized music experience.
And I can control the temperature in each area too, right?
Absolutely. With a multi-zone climate control system, you can make sure every space on your yacht is perfectly comfortable, no matter what the weather's doing outside.
This is incredible. It's like having an invisible crew catering to everyone's every need. So while my guests are enjoying cocktails in the cool air-conditioned salon, I can keep the deck warm and inviting for anyone who wants to enjoy the fresh air.
Precisely. And all of this is managed through one easy-to-use system. You don't have to run around adjusting things manually. It's all right there at your fingertips.
Talk about convenience. So we've got the music, the temperature, but what about the lighting inside the salon?
Well, with Crestron lighting control, you can choose from a whole spectrum of colors to create just the right atmosphere for any occasion.
So I could have warm golden hues for a romantic dinner, or cool blues for a more sophisticated vibe.
Exactly. You could even have the lights sync with the music for a truly immersive party experience. The possibilities are really endless.
And it's not just about creating a cool atmosphere. This kind of smart lighting can also be used for security, right?
Absolutely. Imagine pathways automatically illuminating as you walk by, or motion-activated lights that deter unwanted visitors.
That would definitely give me peace of mind, knowing that my yacht is secure even when I'm not around.
It's all about enhancing your sense of security and allowing you to truly relax and enjoy your time on board.
This has been an incredible deep dive. We've seen how technology can completely transform the yachting experience,
Making it more luxurious, more personalized, and just more fun overall.
We've learned about the seamless integration of Crestron and JL audio systems, and how Concord Marine Electronics brings it all together with their expertise and incredible attention to detail.
They really are the experts in this field.
They are. And as we wrap up, I want to leave our listeners with one final thought to ponder. Imagine you had no limitations. You could design your ultimate yacht automation setup. What would be your absolute must-have feature?
That's a tough one. But I think for me, it would be a system that anticipates my needs before I even realize I have them. Like maybe it knows what kind of mood I'm in and adjusts the lighting and music accordingly.
Or maybe it automatically adjusts the temperature and shades as the sun moves throughout the day.
Exactly. A system that's so intuitive and responsive that it feels like an extension of your own thoughts.
Now, that's what I call true luxury.
It is, isn't it? And who knows, maybe that kind of technology isn't too far off in the future.
I hope so. Until then, if our listeners want to explore the current possibilities of yacht automation,
They should definitely reach out to Concord Marine Electronics.
they can visit their website at concordmarineenelectronics.com or give them a call at 954-779-1100.
Their team would be happy to answer any questions and guide you through the process of creating your own dream yacht setup.
So there you have it, a deep dive into the fascinating world of luxury yacht automation. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time for another deep